In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple location pin icon in Figma. Start by opening Figma and creating a new design file. Select the triangle tool and draw a triangle on your canvas. Rotate it 180 degrees so the point faces downward. Next, adjust the shape by editing the corners and making the top section more rounded. This will help create the classic location pin shape. Now, select the ellipse tool and draw a small circle. Place it in the center near the top of the pin shape. Change the circle color to white and set the main pin shape to red or any color you prefer. Resize and align both shapes until everything looks balanced and centered. Once you're happy with the design, select both shapes and group them together so they function as a single icon. And that's it. You've successfully created a location pin icon in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.